Let's dive into the exciting world of AI tools that are transforming the way we work and live. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 AI tools that are making waves right now, each with unique features that can help you boost productivity and creativity. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this content useful. Tool number 1. Notion AI. Notion AI is truly a game changer for productivity enthusiasts. Imagine having an assistant that not only organizes your tasks, but also generates content, summarizes meetings, and offers intelligent reminders. Notion AI's natural language processing capabilities allow it to understand your needs and provide personalized assistance. Whether you're drafting a report, managing a project, or brainstorming ideas, Notion AI has got your back. It integrates seamlessly into the Notion workspace, making it an indispensable tool for both individuals and teams looking to streamline their workflow and enhance productivity. Tool number 2. Perplexity AI. Next up is Perplexity AI, an incredibly advanced tool that takes information retrieval to the next level. Perplexity AI leverages deep learning models to provide precise and comprehensive answers to complex questions. This tool is perfect for researchers, students, and professionals who need accurate information quickly. One of the standout features of Perplexity AI is its contextual understanding. It can handle nuanced queries and provide detailed responses, making it a valuable resource for anyone needing in-depth information on a variety of topics. Whether you're diving into scientific research or looking for historical data, Perplexity AI delivers reliable results. And with continuous learning, it keeps getting better at understanding and responding to your questions. For example, if you ask, "What was that article about bees I read the other day?" Perplexity AI can recall and provide details swiftly. Tool number 3. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is an advanced AI language model developed by Anthropic. This tool is designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it perfect for a wide range of applications from customer service to creative writing. Claude 3.5 Sonnet excels in understanding context and producing coherent, contextually relevant responses. One of the most impressive features of Claude 3.5 Sonnet is its ability to generate detailed and engaging content. Whether you need to draft emails, write blog posts, or create marketing copy, this tool can assist you in producing high-quality text quickly and efficiently. Additionally, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is equipped with advanced language understanding capabilities, allowing it to answer complex questions, provide summaries, and even engage in creative storytelling. For businesses, this means you can automate content creation and customer interactions, saving time and resources while maintaining a high level of quality and engagement. Tool number 4. Fireflies. Fireflies is an AI meeting assistant that takes the hassle out of note-taking during meetings. It integrates with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, recording and transcribing your meetings in real time. But it doesn't stop there. Fireflies also highlights key points, assigns action items, and can even analyze the sentiment of the participants. This means you can focus entirely on the conversation, knowing that Fireflies is capturing every detail and making it easy to review and follow up later. Tool number 5. Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI-powered creative toolkit that is revolutionizing how artists and designers work. With Runway ML, you can generate realistic images from text descriptions, create stunning video effects, and even automate tedious editing processes. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to both novices and professionals. For instance, if you're working on a film project, Runway ML can help you with motion tracking and special effects, turning your creative visions into reality with minimal effort. It's a must-have for anyone in the creative industry looking to push the boundaries of their work. Tool number 6. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a fantastic AI-driven video creation platform designed for marketers and content creators. This tool transforms your text content into engaging videos, perfect for social media and other digital platforms. Lumen 5 uses AI to analyze your text, suggest relevant visuals, and even provide voiceovers. You can easily customize the video with your brand elements and export it in various formats suitable for different social media platforms. This automation speeds up the video creation process, allowing you to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently, helping you reach and engage with your audience more effectively. Tool number 7. Codium. Codium is a developer's dream come true. This AI tool enhances coding productivity with features like code auto-completion, bug detection, and performance optimization. Codium learns from your coding style and suggests improvements, helping you write cleaner, more efficient code. It's like having a seasoned developer looking over your shoulder, pointing out potential errors and optimization opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, Codium can significantly reduce the time you spend on debugging and enhance the overall quality of your code. In conclusion, these AI tools offer incredible solutions to enhance productivity, creativity, and efficiency. Whether you're managing tasks, creating content, or developing software, there's an AI tool out there that can make your life easier. If you're excited about these tools and want to stay updated on the latest in AI technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.